In this video we are going to see factorial program. So I think you all know what do you mean by factorial. Like if you take like this is a 5 factorial, right? So 5 factorial means 5 into 5 minus 1, which is like 4, 4 minus 1, which is like 3, 3 minus 1, which is like 2, 2 minus 1, which is like 1, right? So this is the factorial, like this is the indication like this, right? So what is the value to this? It is equals to 120, right? The given number factorial. So how it is going to flow means, see, when you observe here, it is like 5 minus 1, 4 minus 1, like it is continually on decrement, right? So it is like same operation which is decrementing by decrementing by 1, right? So keep in a one loop. So now let us take while loop, okay? While, so here while accepts condition, open the while and close the while. So here it is a 5, right? So let us keep this 5 into some number. Let n equals to 5, okay? So now keep on decrement the n, okay, n minus till to where? So until this 5 reaches the 1, right? Until the number when it is greater than or equals to 1, we need to continue. So when n greater than or equals to 1, till to that we need to run this while loop, okay? Now we need to store this value, okay? So for storing this value, let us take one more variable. Let it be fact, okay? Initially fact equals to 1. Now here I am writing like this, like fact equals to fact into 1, like fact into n, okay? What happens means, for the first time when the loops come, so 5 is greater than or equals to 1, yes, fact at initially fact is 1, right? So 1 into n, 1 into 5, like 5 copy into fact, okay? So this is how it is going to work. Later decrease the n number, like n minus, now n will become 4, okay? Now it will continue for the loop, right? It will check for the condition 4 greater than or equals to 1, yes. So again in this fact what the number is stored? 5, right? 5 into 4, now 5 into 4, which is like a 20. Again it is going to copy into the fact variable, okay? Now here again n keep on decrement, right? Now n will becomes 3. So this will continue till to 1, okay? When 1 comes, n minus at the when n equals to 1, here when n minus it will comes like n equals to 0. Then in further it will go, it will like a 0 greater than or equals to 1, no, right? So then it will exit from the loop, okay? So this is how the code is going to work. Now let us see the program for this, okay? Now here I am taking one variable which is like n. I am giving the n value as 5, okay? I am doing the same code over here, like while I am placing condition like n greater than or equals to 1, till to that the loop is going to run. Now in this fact equals to fact into n minus. See, while observing here, you can notice we not taken the fact, right? We have not declared the fact variable, like fact equals to 1. So in the same line, with the help of comma you can declare here only, so there will be no issue with it. So now with the help of the printing statement, we are going to print that I am copying this thing and I am pasting over here. I want to print the final answer. The final answer where we have stored in the fact variable, right? Now keep the fact over here. Now when I run the program, let us add this first printing statement. Now when I run this, now here we can see value 120. Now let us make this as a scanner program. So with the help of scanner we are going to implement this program. So now when I run this, here it is asking like enter the number. Once let us verify with the 5 only, like it is giving 120. Now let's change to one other number. Let us give 6. Like when we give 6, 120 into 6, which is like 7 after that, we need to get the 720. So this is how our code is going.